You can expect a lot from the 2013 Nissan LEAF. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this hatchback hits the mark with consumers demanding economical versatility. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, an outside temperature display, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, we're looking forward to serving you.